Hey guys, this is Kendrick Thompson with United Real Estate, and I am about to take you guys on another property tour. 3-bedroom, 3-bath, approximately 2,200 square feet. Take a look at the woodwork as well. You're gonna see a nice wraparound theme. Then we'll take a look at the back area before we're all wrapped up. Let's go inside and take a look at the home. Nice open concept feel. We have these nice high ceilings as well. We have these lovely large clerestory windows up top. Heated floors as well. I know you're probably wondering, Kendrick, this is probably cold. Guys, heated floors. You can't beat that, right? On our way to the kitchen, take a look again. Attention to detail. Take a look at those beams that takes us over. Lovely light fixtures as well. And then we have this lovely large quartz countertop. Beautiful to come in and entertain and prepare some meals. All the cabinets are custom, all the handles are custom. We have soft close on the cabinets as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, on our way to the master bedroom, we also have an open concept closet. Lots of natural light as well. But guys, take a look at this master bedroom. Absolutely stunning, well thought out. And let's roll and take a look at the master bathroom. Undermount sink, we have vessel sink as well. And then we have our low profile, zero threshold walk-in shower with a true rain shower. Until right behind you is our water closet. Let's take a look upstairs in the bedrooms. Take a look at this floor, absolutely gorgeous. We have those lovely knots in it, lots of character. Now let's take a look at the bathroom upstairs. Quartz countertop, undermount sink, really nice flow to it. All right, guys, go ahead and take a look at the bedrooms, and then we will take a look on the back area of the home. We're in Lawrence, and we're in a 1/4 acre, guys. And guys, the use of this space was absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship on this house was absolutely gorgeous. Everything on here just makes you really want to sit outside, sit inside, have great conversations, and really think. Just really have, this one is a house that really just inspires a lot of creativity, guys. Lots of conversation, great conversations could be had at this home. As usual, hope you enjoy this property tour. And as usual, if you're in the market, thinking about buying or selling a home, go ahead and reach out, guys. We'd love to earn your business. And until then, talk soon.